Hi everyone, I'm very excited to announce that my new QiYoga with LuChin website is now up and running. It is a major upgrade from the previous site. My true passion is teaching and creating a community. I really enjoy the interactive and personal connection of live classes. This new website will allow that and so much more. The new site includes hundreds and hundreds of commercial-free, high-definition videos, including membership-exclusive content, like what I eat and how I start my day. Also, information on subjects like how to better align your health to the cycle of nature. As always, there will be 2 live classes each week. However, I understand the class time may not work for everyone's schedule. So I'm happy to share that every class is recorded and available for later viewing anytime and anywhere for members. Finally, I love our growing diverse community so much. So we now have a community page where we can interact, discuss questions, and so much more. So feel free to check it out. Hope to see you in one of the live classes.